Hi guys, I'm Mama Bear to Many. I am mom to 14 children. 12 of my children still live here at home, and if you have been following us, we tried to make one large bathroom into 3 separate rooms. One is like a laundry hallway type area. The next is this small bathroom, and then the other is the other bathroom. So I think I'm pretty much done on this. But keep in mind, this is like budget, low cost type makeover. It's not going to be highfalutin. I'm just going to show you how it works though for those people who enjoy stuff like this. So we installed the toilet, and then I got this free off the side of the road, and I'm going to put another shelf in here, and I think I'm going to put the little kids tooth stuff in there, but I haven't done that as of yet. Toilet brush, new little trash can there. And then this is the shower. I got the shower on clearance, so I'm super excited about that. The kids have really enjoyed having a bath. This whole room used to just be one shower before. It used to be a handicap shower, so they are loving having a bath. It is a little tight in here, and people might ask, why did I make this room with the shower in it smaller than the other room that doesn't have the shower in it? And the reason is because everyone here does not shower on every day. So when somebody's taking a shower, then nobody obviously can get in here. But the other bathroom, everyone in our household gets dressed in a bathroom. So to have the extra space in order to like get dressed in the bathroom, I felt was more important than for your shower space, where it's always going to be one person. It's always just so you have more space, because people are going to be going in and out of that other room a lot more frequently than here, except to use the toilet. So I got the faucet. So this right here, I have to go put this on. I didn't put that on yet. I did buy a little knobby there. This I got for free on the side of the road, including the sink. And then I bought the faucet and the drain part here for, I think it was $35 on Amazon. I just bought this the other day, probably saw in my grocery haul. That was $4. And then I bought the mirror for $5.88. And then over here, I just want to come in around here. Over here, I got this little towel thing for drying our hands. We do not use hand towels because we have lots of people drying their hands, and a whole bath towel will be sopping wet in one day. So I got that and this over here for our toilet paper. I got those two things and these up here. So a viewer sent in a $25 gift card. I think I shared that on one of the other videos. And that right there, those 3, there's actually 2 towel holders, but so those 4 things I ordered at once and then took the $25 off, and I think I owed like $12 after that. So these towels are not gonna stay here the whole time. They can go either like this, or you can take these sides off and just screw this into a wall. So eventually these are actually going to be in the other room. I don't like this here because it's too close to here. So sometimes it's really hard to like shut the door over. These are not all of our towels. So these are the colors for my younger children. So my 2-year-old, my 3-year-old, my 6-year-old, my 7-year-old, my 8-year-olds, 14, these are reversed, 14-year-olds and 12-year-olds, and then me and my husband are all on this rack here. Another thing too, I don't want the towels inside of this bathroom because I feel like people will wash their hands, and because it's so close to the sink, they're just going to dry their hands on the towel. So I would rather not everyone drying hands on our towel. So that's working for now until we redo the laundry room type area. So the towels that are for this bathroom are going to be all in here, and they're just going to be random colors at this point. We did paint the walls. I had white. I had, big dreams for colors and for all that type of stuff, but I found a jug of off-white paint and I said, you know what, I just want this one bathroom to be complete, so let's get this done. So I ended up getting the off-white paint, kids painted it, and now we have a functional bathroom. I didn't want like any mold or anything to grow on there, so we had like the kilts painted first and then this on top of it. So then in here I have all of our soap, and then behind that one I have our shampoo bars. And yes, some of those were kind of dirty-ish, but I didn't want to rinse them off. They were at the bottom of, I used to sell soap, and so I had like a bin with like a bunch of stuff just thrown in there. So I figured, yeah, when I have time, I'll cut off the extras. I'll just use a knife and do that, or I'll wash it off before we actually put it into the bathroom. Somebody older has this bathroom to take care of, so they can do that before that actually happens. I just needed to get things done. I put Epsom salt in here. People soak their feet. We use the shampoo bar for our hair, or some people just use regular soap, that homemade soap that we do for our hair in order to wash that. And then we rinse our hair in vinegar. So we saw these in the shower. I put about this much vinegar and the rest water, and this is just white vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar. I'm actually running low of our apple cider vinegar, but I like to make apple cider vinegar when we do our apple harvest every year. And we have white vinegar in here, but apple cider vinegar works just as fine. And this is your conditioner. So about this much, and then the rest water, about a quarter of whatever container you have of vinegar, and then water. But there's been many a times that has been empty and I need a conditioner for my hair, and this stuff's way out in the other part. So I put 2 canning jars of vinegar in here so people don't get caught short. A bin of razors. And then toilet paper is all up in there because we need lots of toilet paper. Aside from that, we really don't need too many things in this bathroom. I do have a little section here that just has currently just the little toilet thing in there that goes on top of the seat, which she doesn't even use at this point usually. I'm thinking about putting a small hamper in there just for dirty towels, but we also have one. I want to wait until I redo the laundry room to see how that all works out. I'm thinking about also putting a like a push light on the side, because this is we didn't do the electrical. We just have this pull light, so obviously the younger kids can't pull that, and I don't want to put something longer where they could play with it. So we've just been like turning it on and leaving it on as of right now. But it does get kind of dark in this room, so I thought maybe like a small push light or something like that might be, or a solar light or something might be a good idea for this room, so that they could have something that would like go on automatically. I'm not quite sure. Gonna work on that. Not in the budget right now anyway. Thank you for the person who gave us the $25, because things were tight and I just needed that little bit of extra to buy the couple things, you know, the toilet paper holder, the ring for the towel, and that's about it. I mean, eventually I want to probably do some decorating. I probably will paint the walls and that type of stuff, but it is fully functional, and having 2 toilets is such a blessing, and having a bathtub for my little kids is just wonderful. So I will be sharing the other bathroom and the laundry room as we get that done, but for right now, that's where we're at. And I know a couple of people had asked, so I thought I would share. I hope you all have a blessed day.